Hang on, Steve. This is going to take a few minutes, so just collect your thoughts. Hook! No! Shit! Oh! Get back! Hurry up! Cutting off his own brother. Cutting off his brother's got an audience. Come on, Mike, hurry up and pull! Oh! At least Grandpa got a laugh out of it. Guy hasn't laughed in 15 years.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, what happened if you missed it then? $1 for $1.